this one is about when she teaches him, she uses a larger field size. So when she first started teaching emotions, she started with just 3 cards in the field, and now it's increased by quite a bit. And so it started with 3, and the reason she increased it was he was doing well. And so that's why it's at the current level.
Good job. Thanks for coming. Okay, next. Oh, Sam. Yay, you're awesome. Angry. Angry. Good. High five. You are awesome. Yucky. Disgusting. Yucky. No, yeah, disgusting.
All right. So make sure you give him a clear no when he puts it on the wrong place.
Oh, surprise. Good. You are amazing. Ha ha ha. Happy, happy, happy. Wow, you are the best. Yay, excited. Good job. Oh, surprise. Good. Well done. Oh, so I'm scared. We're so scared. 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 There's no scared. Sorry. Yay! Excited. Good. You are excellent. Angry. Hey, you know everything. Yucky. Disgusting. Good job. Oh, sad. Good. Happy, happy, happy. Perfect. Yucky. Disgusting. Good. So, I'm scared. Here. Awesome. Bye-bye. Yay. Good. Go and play.
All right. So when we talk about field size, the bigger the size of the field, the more complicated it gets, And so I think you can kind of see that here, where I think 6 is a good amount for him. And then you crossed into 7 when you forgot to put the scared card in. But once that added in, then it started to become like too complicated, like just a little bit too complicated for him, Now, I think 7 might be okay if you stack them, So, you have 3 on top and 4 at the bottom, or 4 on top and 3 at the bottom. Then it's easier for him to see all of the array, But the field size is just about like, oh, okay, it's complex enough for you to really like, oh, I have to look for it, but not so complex as it actually stops my responding.